strengthening the stewardship capacity of the government by investing, using and improving the ongoing reforms, including the public financial management, constructing performance monitoring and accountability, and eventually move towards the use of the country's system. Our main priority and the way forward is to end up using the country's system. Strengthening the health sector coordination and prevent fragmentation, the insufficiencies and ensure the alignment of the limited resources towards the national health priority divine. I am sure we will have more opportunities to discuss those points in detail in the health sector coordination meeting later today and tomorrow. Once again, I would like to thank this opportunity to our partners from the contribution to the health sector development, and would also like to call our partners to align the limited resources available towards the health sector process and priorities. Those are defined in the investment case plan, which will in turn help us to move and achieve towards the universal health coverage. We appreciate the joint effort from the donors, the UN agencies, and all the sectors to make the alignment in the sector health coordination and make sure the country makes a step forward with the new leadership of the ministry. We thank everybody, and I will give back the mic to the DJ.